Once upon a time, in the enchanting forest of whispering pines, there lived a curious little squirrel named Sparkle. Sparkle had the brightest eyes and the bushiest tail you could ever imagine. But what made Sparkle truly special was her insatiable curiosity. One sunny morning, Sparkle sat on a mossy rock, nibbling on an acorn. She watched as the other forest creatures scurried about, each with their own tasks. The wise old owl, Hoot, perched on a branch, reading ancient scrolls. The mischievous chipmunks, Cheeky and Nutsy, played tag among the ferns. And the gentle deer, Grace, grazed peacefully near the babbling brook. But Sparkle wanted more. She dreamed of adventure beyond the forest's edge. So, one day, she gathered her courage and approached Wise Hoot. "Wise Hoot," Sparkle said, "what lies beyond our forest? Are there magical lands, hidden treasures, or maybe even talking rocks?" Wise Hoot adjusted his spectacles and chuckled. "Ah, young Sparkle, your curiosity knows no bound. Beyond the forest lies the Great Meadow, where legends say a mystical rainbow flower blooms. Whoever finds it gains a wish." Sparkle's eyes sparkled. "I must find that flower." And so, Sparkle embarked on her quest. She packed a tiny backpack with acorns, a map, drawn by Cheeky, and a peanut butter sandwich. She bid farewell to her friends and set off toward the sunlit meadow. Her journey was filled with excitement and challenges. She crossed bubbling brooks on wobbly logs, climbed steep hills, and even befriended a chatty butterfly named Flutter. Along the way, she encountered magical creatures, a giggling mushroom, a moonbeam sprite, and a grumpy rock that refused to talk. As Sparkle ventured deeper into the meadow, she noticed the colors changing. Flowers of every hue surrounded her, violets, daffodils, and even a neon-green polka-dotted blossom. But where was the rainbow flower? Finally, at the heart of the meadow, Sparkle gasped. There it was, a radiant flower with petals that shimmered like 1,000 rainbows. She tiptoed closer, her heart racing. "Hello," she whispered. "I'm Sparkle. What's your name?" The flower's petals quivered. "I am Iris, the rainbow blossom. What brings you here, little squirrel?" Sparkle told Iris about her quest and her wish to bring laughter to the forest. Iris smiled. "To grant your wish, you must dance with joy around me." And so, Sparkle danced. She twirled, leaped, and giggled until the whole meadow joined in. The flowers swayed, the grass clapped, and even the sun peeked through the clouds to watch. When Sparkle stopped, she felt different. Her heart was lighter, and her eyes sparkled even brighter. "Thank you, Iris," she said. "I wish for laughter and joy to fill our forest forever." Iris nodded, and a gentle breeze carried Sparkle back home. She returned to Whispering Pines, where her friends awaited her. "Did you find the rainbow flower?" asked Cheeky. Sparkle grinned. "I found something better, a heart full of joy." From that day on, laughter echoed through the forest. Sparkle shared her tale with everyone, the chipmunks, the deer, and even the grumpy rock, who cracked a smile. And so, dear children, whenever you see a squirrel with bright eyes and a bushy tail, remember Sparkle's quest. For sometimes, the greatest treasures are not gold or jewels but the joy we share with others. And that, my friends, is the end of our magical tale. Until next time, keep your hearts curious and your spirits bright,